Welcome back. Continuing the news. Teachers are not ready for the rollout of the Primary Exit Profile Test, PEP. That's according to the newly installed president of the Jamaica Teachers Association, JTA, Dr. Garth Anderson. Addressing the JTA annual conference in Montego Bay, St. James, he implored Education Minister Royal Reid to continue with the Grade 6 Achievement Test, GSAT. TVJ's Janella Precious reports.
The new school term is a few weeks away, and the pressure is on for the incoming batch of grade 6 students who will be evaluated under the new Primary Exit Profile Test, PEP. It replaces the Grade 6 Achievement Test, GSAT. But newly installed president of the Jamaica Teachers Association, JTA, Dr. Garth Anderson, complained that the PEP training and implementation plan for teachers to date has not been effective.
We asked the teachers in the north, are you ready for PEP? And the resounding answer we got, no. We asked those in the south, are you ready? And the teachers say, no. We asked those in the west, are you ready? And what did they say? No. We asked those in the east, are you ready? No. And Minister, we went to Northwest St. Anne. And we asked those teachers, are you ready? And they said no.
Dr. Anderson says there's frustration and confusion among teachers who have expressed that they do not understand the PEP curriculum. The assessment procedures have also been described as a mystery. Additionally, there is concern that lecturers in teacher training colleges have not been adequately trained to deliver and prepare student teachers for PEP. In June, grade 5 students sat the PEP mock test. The JTA president suggested that it was a disaster.
The famous fish tank question, the kennel question, they have only served to further frustrate the system. And the test clearly did not cater to the different learning styles and abilities of students. So we hope we are learning from that.
So how can it be remedied?
We should start at minimum the implementation of the PEP with the grade 3 students in September 2018. We must carefully phase in the change and reduce the shock on the system. In so doing, we will have time to assess and adjust accordingly to treat with the issues as they arise. Consequently, we are asking that the GSAT exam should continue as we grandfather in this new curriculum.
The JTA is further proposing that lecturers in teacher training colleges should be empowered and teacher training colleges be used as training centers in collaboration with the Jamaica Teaching Council. Janella Precious, TVJ News.